So we're looking at 2.6, reflection symmetry. And you can kind of take a look at these images and see what symmetry looks like, right? We have a line of symmetry that's going straight down the middle of a shape, all right? I'm just using in precise language, but as you can see, it's going straight down the middle, or bisecting, all right, the triangles, okay? And so you can also see how each side maps to the other side. So it's almost like if you only had half the triangle and you were going to reflect it across that line of symmetry, you would then have the original triangle that we started with to begin. So I hope that was clear. And you can also have multiple lines of symmetry in an object, or in a shape rather. So this particular shape has two lines of symmetry. All right. Now, is this a line of symmetry? If I were to try to reflect that over, I don't think that it would reflect correctly, so that would not be. But you can see how this would flip this way, and this would flip this way. It's actually kind of like if you've ever seen a little rectangular thing just flipping around in a circle. Either side would look kind of like that, a rectangle. So there's also a hexagon, and that has reflective symmetry as well. It has several places. We also have this line and this line. Cool. So we can take a look at this. This is just an interactive thing. You can see the line of symmetry here, how it maps directly onto it as it reflects across there. And so this butterfly, if you will, has a line of symmetry going right down the middle of it, so center point. Let's see if this also is a line of symmetry for it. Ooh, nope, it does not map correctly. So that would not be a line of symmetry. And you can just see very clearly that our eyes love symmetry. This should be so much bigger if this was actually a line of symmetry. Cool. So just orienting ourselves more, you can see we've got identifying lines of symmetry, some great examples here. All right, just to kind of look at and get an idea. So this square has 4 different lines of symmetry. And as we're looking at this one, there's clearly a line of symmetry right there. So B looks like one. A, if I were to flip that around, no. And if I were to flip this around, I got a lot of roundness over here, and I don't have that necessarily right there. So I think the only one is going to be B. Oops. And there it is. Awesome. Cool. Go around. Feel free to play around with some of these things. Oh, I see. I should have put B there. All right. I thought it was going to give me a different shape. Cool. I played around with the pentagon here, and you can see I drew 3 different lines of symmetry. Just remember to always grab the little cursor here to start making your lines of symmetry. This one was particularly finicky. Like, it was hard to get it to work the way I wanted to. There's another one right here. You can kind of watch me try. Let's see, it's going to work right off the bat. It did. But a lot of times I was getting it just a little hair off, and it was giving me a red line. So, you know, use it, but you get the idea. All right? Hopefully that is helpful.